Hello everyone, in this fifth video we are going to see how to energy optimize our structure that is already geometry optimized. This open up the calculation menu. So this is the exact settings that we use for geometry optimization. Now task energy should be energy and we don't have to change any other settings. Uh, so these are the settings that we use for the geometry optimization. Just change the task to energy and all other settings should remain as it is. And also don't check any properties. Go to job control, change the name to demo energy optimization, and then just click run. Choose no here, and now I speed up the whole video 10 times, so the energy optimization should be real quick. It is completed now, so click OK, and let's see the convergence window. It is converged. Go to close your threshold point, go to the bottom of this, and we can see the time it took and the thermal efficiency rating and other important parameters like its field charge and others like this. This is the time it took for the completion, and this is our energy optimized structure. And after that we can do multiple properties calculation on this structure that we're going to do in our next videos. Thank you.